Hey everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today, we're taking a classic dip that everyone loves and giving it a sweet, tropical twist. Get ready for the most incredible mango guacamole you've ever tasted. It's the perfect blend of creamy, zesty, and sweet, and it's so easy to make. This is going to be your new go-to snack for parties, gatherings, or just a Tuesday night. Let's dive into our vibrant ingredients. First up, the star of the show, avocados. You want to find ones that are perfectly ripe. So look for avocados that give just a little when you squeeze them gently. This ensures they'll be creamy and full of flavor. Next, we have a finely diced white onion. I love the sharp, pungent kick it adds. But if you prefer something a bit milder, a red onion works beautifully too. Of course, we can't have guacamole without cilantro. This herb is essential for that authentic Mexican flavor. If you're not a fan, you can swap it out for some fresh parsley to keep that bright, herby note. To cut through the richness, we need fresh lime juice. Please use fresh limes. The bottled stuff just doesn't compare to the zesty punch you get from a freshly squeezed lime. And now for our secret weapon, mango. A ripe, juicy mango adds a wonderful sweetness that perfectly balances the other flavors. If you can't find a good mango, diced pineapple is another fantastic option for that tropical vibe. Finally, we'll season everything with a good pinch of sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. Alright, let's get this party started. First, I'm going to slice our avocados in half, remove the pit, and scoop that beautiful green flesh into a bowl. Now, for the fun part, using a fork or a moodler, gently mash the avocado. I like to leave it a little chunky for some texture, but you can make it as smooth as you like. Once you have your desired consistency, it's time to add our flavor boosters. Stir in the finely diced white onion, the chopped cilantro, and that all-important fresh lime juice. Give it a good mix to combine everything. The lime juice will also help keep your guacamole from browning too quickly. Now, we'll gently fold in our diced mango. You want to be careful here so you don't mash the fruit. We want those lovely, sweet chunks in every bite. Finally, seasoned with sea salt and black pepper. To your taste, always taste as you go to get the seasoning just right. And there you have it. Look at this bowl of sunshine. A beautiful, vibrant mango guacamole that's ready to be devoured. The creamy avocado, the zing from the lime, the kick from the onion, and those sweet bursts of mango. It's a flavor explosion. Serve it up with your favorite tortilla chips and enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you love this recipe as much as I do. If you make it, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future recipes. See you next time.